I need to flush my port, but I have a slight issue in the way. Can you spot that issue? Yeah, dog butt. Wandering dog butt at that. This is not for flushing my port, but that is. Girl, I'm gonna need you to fuck off a little bit. Okay, she laid down. Good girl. She's licking the rubbing alcohol pad wrapper. Yummy. Really appetizing. She's licking my tripod now. Let her turn. Kind of? Question mark? Yeah, there we go. Something in there just felt strange. Not my problem. She learned Leave It, by the way. That's why she's on my bed still. All done. All my garbage. Good night.